Alex Kids Fun. Presents. How to make a Lego dinosaur out of random bricks. Learn and build. I hope I inspire you to make your own dinosaur.
Ooh! I wonder what's in this box. Yep, there's definitely something. Let's see. Whoa! Alright, let's get started. Wait, before we start, what do you think we should build? I think we should build a dinosaur.
Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. They're mysterious and fascinating creatures with lots of secrets just waiting to be uncovered. It always makes me wonder what it was like, the vegetation, the forests, what they looked like, what it would look like from space. I wondered what it would be like if you were a dinosaur.
Okay, so, what do dinosaurs have? Do they have big noses? No. I think we should start with sorting. So, let's start with the tail. For the tail, you'll need this type of sloped piece. Then you'll need another one, except inside out like this. Then, to connect the back of the tail to the rest of the tail, you're going to need a ball socket piece and a regular flat piece like this with some studs. Now, remember, it doesn't have to be the same color. It can be any color you'd like. Alright, now that we're done with sorting, we can start with the head. Take this clip piece and attach it to your circle. Then take the tooth piece and put it on the other side. Then you're going to need to take another circle. You put it on like that. Looks like just a silly mouth now. Now you put on the eyes. I use this yellow brick. Your eyes can be any color. And then you put this brick. There it is. And we don't want it to show his eyes or it looks like he's looking up forever. So we're going to put that on. We've got his head. Okay, now that we've got his head, we're going to need to build his neck because how is he going to have his head without a neck? So, put these two pieces right here.
Someone said neck!
Then you put this slot piece on. Ta-da! See? Then you turn it around. If you accidentally put the slope piece the wrong way like me, you can just take it off and flip it over. And now we've got the head. Ta-da! Okay, now that we've got the head and the neck, what should we build? I think we should build the body. So, first we'll need to put those pieces right there. Like that, and then we'll connect them with this gray piece, that one, and this one. I wonder what will go there. What will go there? I don't know. So, now, let's put the spikes. Well, I've already put the spikes. That's funny. And the legs. Oops. Okay, now I'll get the head and the neck. No, that won't fit. I think they'll go like that. Perfect. Now, I wonder what he's missing. Do you know what it is? I think it's a tail. So, moving on to the tail. Okay, it seems pretty easy, I think. We should put those. That's easy. I wonder which way it will go. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is the back club thing. So it will go right there. Now, we'll put these on. Get the body. Ta-da! We've got it! So, now that we've got our Ankylosaurus built, let's see what you know about them.
The Ankylosaurus was believed to roam western United States and Alberta, Canada. Did you know the Ankylosaurus was called fused lizard, meaning Ankylosaurus in Greek, because its bones were fused? It is a plant-eating dinosaur, and it is an armored dinosaur with a tail club.
Their size can be bigger than a school bus. Isn't that crazy? Well, another thing is, it would seem to you like a dinosaur like bigger than a school bus would want to eat meat, but it's just a herbivore, meaning plant-eating dinosaur. It has a club on the back of its tail and these armor spikes right here to protect itself from carnivore meat-eating dinosaurs such as the T-Rex or Tyrannosaurus Rex. And that's what I forgot to tell you about Ankylosaurus. So, now that he's finished, let's see. How much does he like the other guys? He seems to like them, but he seems kind of lonely. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's build him a Triceratops for him. Just need to get the bucket.
Friends calling! I hope I inspired you to build your own dinosaur. If you want to build a friend for your dinosaur, please subscribe and stay tuned.